Hey guys, this is Avenger, Dodge Avenger 2008, and I start having problem with the transmission and now problem with turning on the car. And when I checked the codes of the check engine light, it shows that I have problem in the transmission control system. I'm gonna show you the problem and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna fix it.
Yeah. Nothing.
See, it's not working at all.
Nothing.
So what we're gonna do, we are going to change the control system, which is this piece here. So so this is the new one. It's used, but it's and I got warranty on it, so hope it work.
Open this. The first one.
So
That's a clip.
we're gonna open this clip here.
And you have two screws here.
And there's two screws here. You have to take them off.
10. Number
Yeah,
10.
the size is 10. So there's another one in the bottom.
Not difficult.
Yeah, it's not too hard to take it off.
Yeah.
Need more flexibility. Yeah, because there's one here in top and the other one is in the bottom. So we just took it off now.
And this one.
And now it's released. So what you have to do, you just this is the old one, so we're gonna just take off the
When you put that
wires from here.
here.
So you
This
push
clips?
here and the clip can go out. There you go.
The one.
So this is the first one and the other one from the other side.
The same.
So this one is done. So
Can open this.
you need to take it off from this frame. So you need to move this new one to this frame so we can put it back there. So here's like 4 screws. We have to take them off from the frame. So we move the frame here. Now we have this frame and we put the bad one here and the new one.
And this side.
You need to fit it here. It's pretty easy, and you just need to get this from anywhere. From like, you can find it online or you can find it in junkyards, in other cars. Like, it's not good anymore, so you can just move it to this one.
You need warranty.
And when you get it from junkyard, make sure to get the warranty. So
Sometimes no good.
so if it's not good, so you can return it. So now it's ready. Yeah, and make sure this pins is clean, because if it's dirty or there's like a mold on it, or yeah, it's not gonna connect. There we go. So you put it on the same spot.
This?
Yeah, so
Have
this
hole.
is the bottom. There's like a hole here. You can fit it.
2 hole, one
Here.
for the screw, one
Yep.
for this. لا تخليه جوا. بعدها and then the top,
So here the top
the
one,
second
too.
one.
And you can try it before you fit it here. So
Yeah.
before, so you don't need to do this, like if it's not working.
No,
Now we just put the wires back.
with the small one.
Yeah, there's
small
like
one.
there's two sizes.
Yep.
So the small one is in the top and the big one is in the bottom. So you just do the opposite what we
And the
did.
closed.
Yeah, so you can hear the clip.
And
like
the
click.
big one. Okay.
Now let's try to turn it on.
You can try.
Let's see. Do you have the key? There we go. Even the check engine light disappeared now. It was here. So now it's
No check engine.
completely working, no check engine, and you can drive it for like 100 miles so you can make sure everything is okay.
Hey, the job is done.
Thank you guys for watching, and if you like my content, just subscribe and like, and if you know someone need this, just share it to them.